Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report. Yesterday, our markets moved higher significantly. One of the reasons is that the European markets were higher and US futures were higher. But after our market closed, the US market, the first half of the session, it was trading well, but in second half of the session, the markets fell drastically. I think the Dow Jones has fallen more than 250 points. And the US market may be in jittery mode. That is because today evening, the Fed minutes will be released. So Fed minutes is a minutes written based on what they discussed in the last meeting. So the people will be looking for some clue when the interest rate will be increased. So this interest rate increase and inflation data is going to be there for some more time in US, and the US markets may go for a long term consolidation after rallying so much. But when it comes to our market, so we may not follow the global cues very strictly for some more time. That's because the coronavirus cases keep coming down. Last week it was more than 4.2 lakh new cases a day, and now it has come down to roughly about 2.6 lakh cases a day. But one worrying thing is that the Tamil Nadu is the top one right now, and both FIAs and DAAs became net buyers yesterday after a long time. FIAs have bought for 618 crore, and DAAs have bought for 450 crore. So together they have bought more than 1000 crore. Number one, the global cues are negative now. And number two, as and when FIAs turned buyer, the next day DAAs sold. So that is the recent history. So because of these two things, Singapore Nifty is showing about 80 points lower opening. And if you are a trader and you want to take a risk, so if Nifty goes closer to 15,000, and you can consider selling a 15,000 put option. And of course, you have to keep 20 or 30 rupees stop loss. And 15,100 short straddle yesterday evening, I told you, and that is where the maximum concentration of straddles are there. So therefore, Nifty is likely to trade between 14.9 and 15.3 for today and tomorrow. And today, I'm hoping that Nifty future will take support around 15,020. And both FAs or DAs are net buyers. And in futures market also, FAs long has been increased from 40% to nearly 60%. So that is because the shorts have unwound and the longs are added. And therefore, the markets may see some kind of a support at lower levels. And yesterday, the auto stocks are higher. That is because in the recent past, the auto stocks have corrected. Particularly last month, the monthly auto sales data was not good. But going forward, there is a report that says that the monsoon is going to be very good this year also. And then plus reopening of the economy after this coronavirus. So auto industry may see a pent-up demand. So that could be a reason why auto stocks were higher. And Tata Motors is absolutely flat in US after its results yesterday. So that's not likely to make any big move today. And more interesting, as and when FIAs turn net buyers, the stocks we have to focus is where they are having more holding. And one of the stocks where FIAs are having more holding is HDFC Twins. So that is why you could see HDFC Bank uh, hugely outperforming yesterday. And yesterday, HDFC Bank was up by 2.63% in India, but in US ADR, it is up by 3.25%. So we have to keep watching HDFC and HDFC Bank. And of course, Reliance is the big boy. So by looking at all these things, so this is just if you are walking very fast and for half an hour, then you may have to rest for some time before extending your walking. So the Nifty has run up too sharply in a too short time. So that now is global cues and the fear of Fed minutes and the fear of DAA selling today. So all this make a Nifty to take some rest. And during the process of rest, it may go down a little bit also. So let us see whether Nifty takes a support at 10,000. So today, Nifty future is likely to trade between 15,020 and 15,220. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.